Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Let's continue our lesson with the new consonants. The first pronunciation for today's lesson is a pinyin zhi. Zhi. How do we pronounce it? Do you remember the left-hand side pinyin? Can you tell me how do you pronounce it? Correct. Z. Z. When you want to pronounce zhi sound, please roll your tongue. Zhi. One more time. Zhi. Zhi. Roll your tongue. Zhi. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. The second pinyin for today's lesson is from the pronunciation for the left-hand side. C sound. C. C. Same phenomenon will happen here. Please roll your tongue again. Ch. 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 Can I hear your voice? Perfect. The third one comes from the left-hand side pronunciation, s. When you pronounce s and roll your tongue, you can get the right pronunciation for the pinyin sh. 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 Can I hear your voice, please? 很好, very good. The last pinyin for today's lesson, it is an English letter R. The pronunciation for this one is R. R. It sounds a little bit similar like the beginning of some English words. For example, run, rush. So we use that pronunciation R. R. You still need to roll your tongue, please. R. R. Can you have a try, please? Very good. Welcome to today's challenge time. So when the sh plus e, sh, e, sh, sh. If I give the pronunciation fourth tone for that one, the pronunciation for this pinyin together will be shi. Shi. In Chinese, shi is a very useful verb, which means am, is, are, was, were. You can use this one to introduce yourself. For example, if you want to say, I am somebody, I am with your name, you can say 我, which means I. 我是 I am. 我是 What's your own name, please? 我是段段 One more time. 我是段段 你是 Can you tell me who are you? Nice to meet you. And I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. And I will see you next week. 再见。